Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from SOPHiELawson.com, and this is another comic book mystery box unboxing. And what I do on these is I get a comic book mystery box and I unbox it, and lilDENNiS today has got this one here, which should hopefully be another Harley Quinn mystery box of 10 random Harley Quinn comics. So let's go and have a look at this one. So lilDENNiS is going to help us get into these, and it's another one from comic-box.co.uk, and what you get is 10 Harley Quinn comics for £17, and it works out, so that works out £1.70 each, which I think is quite good for Harley Quinn comics. And I did one of these a few weeks ago, and well, this is the third one I got of these. And the first one had these beautiful, this is probably one of my favouriteest comic covers that I've got, and this was in one of these boxes. And the last one I did, it had these were three of my favourites from the last one. This one here is particularly cool. I like the way but I like Harley Quinn, and look how different. What I like is the way artists make the same character different. So I'm really excited for this, but like I said last time, a little bit nervous because I've got quite a few Harley Quinn comics now. There's a strong chance I might get some duplicates in here. But before we get in, I'd like to do a little wish list. And 3 things I would like is variant covers, because this one here is like a variant cover. So I'd like to get some more variant covers, something that I can fall in love with. Character focus covers, so like I like covers like this where it's just one, it's all about the character. And I'd also like to get issues to fill in me gaps, which sounds a bit rude. And as a bonus, issue number 1. So just because the best thing about issue 1s is if you haven't got them, you can read them. So lilDENNiS is going to get us straight into this one. It's quite hard to get these open, and also they've changed the packaging, I think, because you used to get a comic-box.co.uk sticky tape all over the packaging, but you don't get any logos now, which is a bit of a shame. Hey, they've changed the parcels. You now get a thingy on it. lilDENNiS has to do that. Oh! Yay! That reminds me of Persona 3. The best thing is you can keep these for... What I do is when I go into the comic shop, I take one of these in with me, so when I get my comics, I can take them home in a cardboard box. Oh, and yesterday, I went to the comic shop yesterday and I got a load of Deja Tauruses for £1 each. So she's another one of my favourite characters. And I got a feeling, well, one of them is so beautiful, I think it's going to be in my top 10 favourite comics for the month of May, which is coming. That probably is already on. I've probably already done that video before this one goes out, because we're nearly into July. We're nearly into July now. This is so exciting, this is. Ooh, this one feels like a nice quality one. So what have we got? I think I've already got that one. Yeah, I've got 3 of these now. They must have a load of these at the comic-box HQ. Oh, we're going to start with this one, which feels like a thick one. Plop. Oh, weird. That's a different one, look. Batman Detective Comics, the new issue 39, the Harley Quinn variant cover. I quite like that they've done the a Batman as a Harley Quinn cover. Very strange looking Harley Quinn though. She looks a little bit sort of, well, super... I know she is a bit mental, but she looks really almost possessed in that one. Yeah, look at Batman, look. I think I would have liked that better with a pure white background. I'm not quite keen on the yellow on that one. Next one. Yay! Harley Quinn issue 41. There's the penguin, look. That's one of these ones, look. That one, I still like this one better. I like the, whoever the artist is on doing the cover on this one, somebody called Connor by the looks of it. I really like the way they do Harley Quinn. She looks very sexy there. Next one. Ooh! Harley Quinn 29. This feels like a Halloween special or something. I like that one. Nice and simple. It's the same artist, look, Connor. Amanda Connor. Yeah, these must be cover A's then. My favourite so far, I think, is probably that one actually. I like that one. Next one. Plop. Hey, I've already got that one. This is the thing, you see, when you get in loads of Harley Quinns. But I really like that. That was in the last mystery box. I think that's a really cool cover, that is. This one feels quite different as well. Ooh, I like this one, look. Issue 6, Harley Quinn, the animated series. The Eat, Bang, Kill tour. How cool is that, look? Is that Poison Ivy? Oh yeah, I like this one. See, I've been seeing these in the comic shop, but I've never seen issue 1. So it'd be quite cool. Look, Poison Ivy. I'm going to be very interested to go through that and see if I like the art style. Because it'd be nice to actually try and collect that, I think. Next one. No, that's going to be my favourite, I think. That is brilliant. Issue number 15, look. Harley Quinn. I love that. Yeah, I think that's going to be my favourite one. That's a nice one as well, though. It's character focused, but it's also got a sort of a story going on as well. Oh, it's amazing how quickly you get through these things. Hee! Old Lady Harley. Oh, look! Weird. Look, it's an Old Lady Harley. Issue 2. Oh, I wish I had issue 1 of this one. That is funny. Hey, turtles. Oh, it's on rough paper as well. How mad is that? It's an old Harley Quinn. She still looks cool though, look. Again, I'm going to have to look into this, try and collect that. The next one, wait a minute, which one's the one that I've already got? I've already got one of these. I don't want the last one to be the one I've already got. So I've already got this one. Issue 6 of DC Universe. The Rebirth. We've got 2 left. So this one here is Injustice 2. Was that on PS3? Plop! Ooh, she's looking very nice there. Issue number 21. Nah, it's still my favourite one. I like her shoulder on that. There's a nice sexy line. That's a sexy shape. Oh, we've only got one left. Number 19. That's a nice one as well. Oh, cool. So I only had 2 of these. I only had these 2, which is quite cool. I like that I got another one of those as well. So if you take those away, I think I'm so excited for this one because I've been very interested in this, the animated series. I've been very interested in this in the comic shop. I've sort of kept looking at it, but I've never picked it up. This one, I can't wait for this. This is going to be funny, this one. Old Lady Harley. Yeah. But my favourite cover, well, what I like about these 2 is the pinkness of it. The pink in the logo. But my favourite cover is that one. That's what I'm thinking. So again, I'm very happy with these. If I saw any of these in the comic shop for £2, I would buy them. So 170. That's brilliant. That's probably the weirdest one, I think. Again, look how different. It's the same character but different. You got the cartoony one and the psychotic one. I think the sexiest one is this one. Like the character. But my favourite cover is that one. It's just brilliant. And I feel like that. See, I'd put that up on my wall. That's cool. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at, wait a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have to count them now just because once they didn't, there was a missing one. Look at these beautiful colours. All these beautiful colours. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at Harley Quinn mystery box from comic-box.co.uk. And, oh, wait a minute. What's happening here then? Did I get any variant covers? I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. Well, actually, this is a variant cover. This is a Harley Quinn variant for Batman. So I got a variant. Character focus covers. That's a character focus cover. And that one as well. See, this one, it's funny, but for me there's too much going on in those. I like the simple covers like this. And did I get any issues to fill in my gaps? Well, I know I've got another one of those. And I've seen that before as well, the red meat. And then bonus issue number 1s. I didn't get any number 1s today. I think that might be the first time I haven't got any issue number 1s in a Harley Quinn mystery box. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you later for another one.